Speaking better English step by step. Learning to speak English well takes time, practice, and confidence. You don't need to be perfect, but you need to keep improving little by little. Here are some important points explained in simple English. Listen more, speak more. The best way to learn is to listen to English every day. Watch short videos, listen to songs, or hear simple stories. After listening, try to repeat the words or sentences. Listening helps your ear understand English sounds, and speaking helps your mouth get used to them. Use easy words first. Don't worry about big, difficult words. Start with simple words like hello, thank you, sorry, please, yes, no. Use them in short sentences. Hello, my name is Seth. Thank you very much. Simple words are powerful because they help you communicate quickly. Practice short conversations. Try speaking with friends, classmates, or even yourself. Example, ask yourself, how are you? And answer, I am fine. Practice greetings, questions, and answers every day. Small conversations build your confidence step by step. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Everyone makes them when learning. If you say something wrong, just try again. Example, if you say he go to school, later you learn it should be he goes to school. Mistakes are not bad. They are part of learning. Learn useful phrases. Instead of only single words, learn phrases you can use often. Examples. Can you help me? I don't understand. How much is this? Phrases make speaking easier because you don't need to think too much about grammar. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't rush. Speak slowly so people can understand you. Example, instead of saying what are you doing, say what are you doing. Clear speaking is better than fast speaking. Practice every day. Even 10 to 15 minutes daily is enough. Read a short passage, repeat sentences, or talk to yourself in English. Daily practice is more powerful than studying once a week. Speaking good English is like learning to ride a bicycle. At first, you may fall, but if you keep practicing, you'll balance and ride smoothly. Step by step, your English will become stronger, clearer, and more confident.